Hello everybody, welcome. Today we're going to just be taking your trading card and just going to be taking it one step further. I'm going to just show you a little bit more about using the type tool and adding basically this information that's at the back and just the easier way of doing that. Like we've got some nice examples here, and the other thing too, actually maybe I'll do, is that we're going to throw in like a background here in order to so we can read our type, okay? If we look at our other options, Mr. Muir has an example there. Maybe here's another example, and he's got kind of like a speckled background. By the way, in the last one I showed you about drop shadows, you can see here that you can add drop shadows not only around type or outlines around type, but you can also add it around graphics. Maybe I'll show you that as well. Let's just go add in a background to our current trading card as well as add in a little bit of type, okay? So let's go back to our Photopea document and we're going to add in a background here. Maybe let's just go to Google Images because I still got this up, and maybe we'll just go look for hockey ice. Now, okay, well that could work actually. That would be nice. That's like a nice, decent resolution. Hey, you know what? That's the winner. And actually I'm going to copy. But I just want to show you what we could also do. If you're ever looking for stuff and you're not sure, like say, like these can be kind of busy looking. But say if you ever wanted something like just like an ice pattern, which is what I was originally thinking about, you can always just add certain words in, like what's common, hockey ice background. And you get that. And there's that one that we had. That one just kind of worked out for us. Actually, I think I like that one better. I think it might be different. Or hockey and texture. Okay, you get more of the same. All right. Oh, that looks cool with the puck. So I've copied that, and so let's go back to Photopea, and I'm just going to drop that in. I'm going to click here to show my layers. And let's go to Edit and Paste. All right, so there we got that. Now, I've got, you can see how that's in behind here. It's in front. See how it's in front of these layers? If I were to drop it in behind, not that it really matters. I'm just showing you. And then we're just going to bring it back. And then I think that I'm going to rotate it. So let's go to Edit, Free Transform, or Alt-Control-T. And if I just hold my mouse out past the edge of this, and I'm going to rotate. Now, oddly enough, you see how you can rotate it just pretty much anything. Anyway, I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and it just kind of locks it to like either like 90 or within like 5 degrees, which makes it handy for you. And so now I've let go, and let's just bring that in. And I'm just going to, hey, that fits pretty good. All right, and now I think I'm just using my arrow keys just to nudge it over a little bit and hit Enter to activate my transformation. Hey, I like that. So let's go to, I'm going to go back to my type tool, and it still remembers the last font I did. And so I'm just going to say, oh yeah, so before what I showed you, we're going to go into this area here, use the hand tool, and move that over. Whoops, wrong one. I didn't actually get the hand tool. There we go. Hand tool, move that over. Zoom back just a bit. Actually, Control. You can also do this. Just do that, or you can also just go Control minus, and it works the same. So in the past, what I showed you before is that I just clicked on the type tool and I just started typing. And that works fine. However, if I just start typing and I just started typing and, you know, it just starts running off the page, okay? That works if you're just going to do like one line. I'm going to select that and then hit delete to get rid of that. However, if I have my type tool selected, and then before I start typing, before I click, instead of clicking, I'm just going to click and drag, and what that makes is a type box. And now, if I clicked off of it there. If I go Mr. Thornborough, but then you can see there, as I started typing, it's keeping within that box. So that works out well. Now let's just start shoots left. Oh, I did a semicolon instead of a colon. There we go. Shoots left. Okay. So now I'm going to, let's select all this type, and we're going to justify it in the center. Okay, so now it's all staying in the center. We're going to make that type a bit smaller. So now, there we go. And then maybe, let's see what other stuff that we have on those examples here. Oh, there we go. Over 3 gold, it's got all this other stuff. Let's go to what kind of information do we have here? Okay, age, height, weight, 16th season. Okay, let's just do that. Let's go to Photopea, shoots left, season, 15. I've been teaching for 15 years. Goals. Now you see how it's not, see it because my box is too small. Goals, like 100. Okay, so now you see how I've run out of room. So let's just make my box bigger, and now it'll fit. Okay, so that'll be good enough. And then actually I'm going to highlight this type. Maybe this type I'll have a different color. Maybe I'll make that black. And then maybe that type can be smaller, like that, okay? And then, so that'll be that. And then you can also add in the blending, the drop shadows and stuff. Let's just add in like a real quick drop shadow right there. Just make it real close to it. And it doesn't need to be that big. And it doesn't need to be that powerful either, okay? Actually, I'm going to plunk in the number manually there. There we go. So that looks all right. Okay, so let's go back. So that's how I do the information. You're going to do more, but that's just how you don't need to watch me do the whole thing. I think that'll be good for this quick little lesson, and then we're just going to expand on more on the next lesson. Okay, good luck with that.